Hello, today I've decided to focus on Proloquo Go. It's an AAC app with symbols. Pricing begins at $249, which is well worth it. It's an excellent resource that helps students with disabilities gain access to learning while gaining autonomy through independence and self-reliance. It has over 100 natural sounding text-to-speech voices across all languages and supports bilingual use, including switching languages mid-sentence. That's pretty impressive. It's customizable and designed for a range of fine motor and visual skills. Its versatility makes it useful and beneficial for nonverbal individuals, those with limited communication skills, individuals with autism, Down syndrome, cerebral palsy, TBI, and helps build language skills for those with speech impediments and language disorders. Here's a little history of Proloquo Go. In 2009, it began as an iPhone app designed for the 3.5-inch screen of the iPhone. In 2010, it was supported by the iPad screen, and this opened so many new possibilities that Proloquo Go became the go-to for mobile AAC. In 2015, Proloquo Go you could use it with an Apple Watch, and starting today, you can use it on displays as large as a desktop screen. And then we saw last night, you can use it on a huge Apple-like smart screen in your classroom. And so it's just come a long way, and it's growing every day. I mean, you can have it in your hands, you can have it in your pocket. It's just very versatile, and that's what makes it so special. So here are some of the strategies you can use when utilizing Proloquo Go AAC system. Or the app. It can be downloaded and used across most platforms. It allows functional communication needs to be met, requesting items, requesting help, requesting a break, requesting bathroom. It's highly personalized. It has different interests can be grouped according to category. Like we learned last night, you can group them in folders. You can select the number of buttons that are put on the page. You can color code different icons. And the vocabulary is just like huge, off the charts. You can, it has a large customizable vocabulary system that is folder based. There's vocabulary set up on the main page that are core words with fringe folders to go in order to add more specific vocabulary to your sentences. Here's just a sample, like people, orange, verbs, pink, prepositions, green. You can buy it. You can download it right from the iTunes store. The developer website, you can also buy it. And there's a lot of great training videos on the website, topics, websites. They have a lot of free workshops on the developer website that you can use to become pretty savvy. And here are some of the pros. The pros are it has a variety of access methods. It can be assessed using direct selection, touching the iPad with your finger to make a button speak, or by using the iPad as a switch or an external switch. Also vocabulary, I just went over, it's so customizable. Advanced grammar option allows you to easily conjugate verbs or add plural or possessive markers. And the clues folders allows a user to learn to describe an object and talk around a word that may not be programmed in his or her device. The cons of Proloquo Go are it can be difficult to navigate, unused and unnecessary vocabulary. The vocabulary is so vast that it's hard to get to all of it and utilize it. and the app may not be easily used by people with motor planning difficulties. People who have difficulty motor planning benefit from an app that has static buttons that are always in the same place so that they can learn the motor plan to find the word. So those are the cons. And what makes it so special? Well, you can individualize it and make it activity-based. You can meet students where they are. Everything can be personalized by creating folders for students that contain individual goal work and their interest. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed my presentation. I hope you can understand my presentation. My voice is just coming back, but I find that Prolocode Go is an extremely useful and effective AAC app that helps provide learning experiences in the classroom and outside of the classroom for kids with special needs. Thank you.